Will AI replace my job? The honest truth in 2026. Hey everyone, Bob here. If you've been on the internet lately, you've seen the headlines. AI is coming for 300 million jobs. The white collar apocalypse is here. Oh no, it's enough to make anyone want to close their laptop and hide. But as a recruiter who lives in the data every day, I'm here to give you the honest, unvarnished truth. As of 2026, AI is indeed changing the math of the labor market. Goldman Sachs recently reported that AI is currently substituting about 25,000 jobs per month in the U.S. alone. That's real. But here's the number that the headlines completely miss. Whoosh. AI is also augmenting and actually creating roughly 9,000 new roles every month. The question isn't if AI is replacing jobs, it's which tasks it's replacing and where it's actually making humans more valuable. Today we are looking at the case studies and the hard stats to see where you stand.
Welcome to the Bob Nevin Careers Channel. We're happy to have you here. Get ready to learn something new. Let's do this.
The red zone, what AI is successfully replacing. Let's be realistic. There are sectors where AI has reached critical mass. If your job involves moving data from point A to point B or synthesizing standard information, the risk is high. In early 2026, Anthropic's CEO noted that basic research synthesis, what used to be a new graduate's first job, is being absorbed. Why pay a junior associate to spend 40 hours reviewing contracts when an LLM can flag 95% of the anomalies in 40 seconds? In customer support and bookkeeping, we've seen a 20 to 26% exposure risk in administrative roles. Routine customer service, handling FAQs or frequently asked questions, and basic troubleshooting is almost entirely AI-driven now. The replacement rule. If a task is high volume, low complexity, and low stakes, AI wins. This is what McKinsey calls basic cognitive tasks. If your day-to-day is checking boxes, you're in the red zone. Watch it. But here's the green zone and why AI can't touch you yet if you're in the green zone. Now, let's talk about the moat. The moat. Here are things that AI simply cannot do. And the data from the IMF and the OECD proves it. The human loop complexity. Human stakes decision-making remains human-led. AI can give you the data, but it can't take responsibility for the $10 million mistake. Judges, healthcare professionals, and construction managers are seeing augmentation, not replacement. The soft skill premium. Creative thinking, resilience, and leadership are more valuable now than they were 5 years ago. PricewaterhouseCoopers 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer found that workers with AI skills plus these human traits command wage premiums up to 56% higher than their peers. Another one, physical dexterity and empathy. Skilled trades like plumbers, electricians, construction workers, HVAC people, maintenance people, and high empathy roles like nursing and mental health counseling are virtually untouched by automation. You can't prompt an AI to fix a burst pipe in the flooded basement at 3 a.m. You can't prompt an AI to conduct surgery on a brain, right? You can't prompt AI to fix a broken corrugator. The shift. how to stay relevant. The most dangerous place to be in 2026, this year, isn't a replaceable job. It's being a non-AI worker in an AI vulnerable role, such as the skills earthquake. The World Economic Forum projects that 39% of our core values will need to change by 2030. In 2026, AI proficiency isn't a bonus on your resume. It's the new Microsoft Office. It's expected. The case study, the marketing pivot. Look at the marketing niche. We saw entry-level copywriter roles vanish, but in their place, AI content operations manager. I even have a book over here called The Accelerated Program for a Six-Figure Copywriting Role. I got that book so I can teach myself copywriting when I am marketing candidates or marketing jobs. And I knew I wasn't going to, make six figures doing that, but I'll make six figures making sure that people get jobs and that our clients get those roles filled. So I took that course. But now if I went in and got a job as a copywriter, that's probably gone because I'd be at an entry level. But since I also know AI content and content operations, that would be a plus. So people who know how to direct the AI, verifying the facts and ensuring that the brand voice is human, these people are making more than copywriters did in 2023. So here's the realistic takeaway. AI won't replace recruiters like myself, but a recruiter using AI will replace a recruiter who isn't using AI, such as AI won't replace accountants, but an AI fluent accountant will replace the one doing the manual reconciliations. So worrying about AI and worrying that it will replace everyone like it's the 1900s, worrying that cars would replace people, cars replaced the horse. People just learn to drive. Don't be the horse, be the driver. Tell me down in the comments. What part of your job feels like it could be automated? And what part feels uniquely to you? Let's figure out your pivot. So please subscribe to my channel for more deep dives into the career building and job search and other tips and advice. I put these videos out for you for free, and we're all in this together. So please smash that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and select all, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Bob. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe and turn notifications on and share with everyone you know. Also leave a comment down below. Say hi or ask a question. Again, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Cheers.